Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a classic math problem, the three-set Venn diagram. We will use a real-life example from a group of market women selling yam, corn, and plantain. By the end of this video, you will see exactly how to calculate overlaps and totals using sets. First, let's recall how a three-set diagram works. We have sets A, B, and C, all inside the universal set U. Together, they form 8 possible regions. Region 1 is the overlap of all three sets. Regions 2, 3, and 4 are overlaps of 2 sets at a time. Regions 5, 6, and 7 are the only regions belonging to just one set. And region 8 is outside all three sets. The key formula to remember is n of A union B union C equals n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus the pairwise intersections plus the triple intersection. Now, let's apply this to our market women. We are told that 18 sell corn, 17 sell yam, and 19 sell plantain. 8 sell both corn and plantain. 9 sell both corn and yam. 12 sell both yam and plantain. And 5 sell all three items. Step 1. Place the 5 in the center of the diagram. That's the triple intersection. Step 2. Subtract to find the overlaps. Corn and yam is 9, but 5 are already counted in the middle. So 4 go in the corn-yam overlap. Corn and plantain is 8, minus 5 in the middle, so 3 go in that overlap. Yam and plantain is 12, minus 5 in the middle, so 7 go in that overlap. Now, let's find the only regions. Corn only is 18 minus 12, which gives 6. Yam only is 17 minus 16, which gives 1. Plantain only is 19 minus 15, which gives 4. When we add everything together, 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5, we get 30. So, there are 30 women in total. And if we look at those who sell only one item, that's 6 plus 1 plus 4, which also equals 11 women. So, that's how we solve a three-set problem using a Venn diagram. We found that the total number of women and those selling only one foodstuff. Three-set problems like this appear in markets, surveys, and even data science. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves problem solving. And stay tuned for my next video, where we will tackle two-set problems and their applications.